Hey, what's up guy? This is Dodong Gigi. Welcome to my channel. Look what I have, guys. I have this budget drone. Comes with 2 batteries. And look at this, guys. This is the same drone, different company, but look at the name, guy. LYZRC. And this one is LYRZ. You just tweak a little bit. I think they copy each other. This one, guys, I uploaded this last month. It's really good drone. It flies really well. It's a budget drone, less than $100 drone. This drone flies really well, but it uses a very basic controller. Comes with 2 batteries. When I upload this one, it says like 25 minutes flight time, but I think I didn't charge properly. The battery is only last 15 minutes. Next time around, I will charge it, fully charge it before I go and fly it. And now this one, guys, the red one, I haven't flied this drone yet. Is once again is LYRZ. Also comes with 2 batteries, 25 minutes flight time. The good thing about this here than here is the controller. Look at the controller, guys. There's a screen on it. This one is more sophisticated than this one, which is the same drone. Look at the controller. There's a screen on it, and what I like about it is it's rechargeable. See here, it's a C connector that you can charge the controller. Look at that, guys. The good thing about the screen on the controller, you can see what's going on. If you lose a connection from your phone, you will see on the screen what's going on your drone. How far is your drone? Where is your drone? It's still connected in the satellite. Not like this one, guys. It's very basic. You lose the connection from your phone. Sometimes you have to figure it out how to work your drone if you lose the connection from the phone. But both of these drones are GPS satellite drone. See, the controller is beautiful. Don't have to put a battery on it. That is rechargeable. And look at this, the drone itself, guys. See that? LYZRC. This is the battery. It's really beautiful drone. It's budget drone, guys. Not even $100 drone. It's $91 drone. Comes with 1 battery, but I order extra battery. This one, it went to $112 with 2 batteries. But if you just want battery, it's $91 drone. But you really enjoy flying your drone if you have more than 1 batteries, at least 2. If you cannot buy 3, at least 2 batteries. Look at that, guys. And look, this one. Once again, guys, this is the same drone. You just tweak. Different company, you just copy each other. I think you just tweak the style. LYZRC, LYRC. Just tweak it. Here, this more wrap on here. and he is like plain. And also the front, you will see the front, he is like LED light. When you turn on the drone, you can see the LED light. Let's turn it on. See that, guys? See the LED? And you see this one. Let's put battery on this. I will show you the difference. See, this, it's same sound. Look at that, guys. This one have more sophisticated look. It's more beautiful. Also, it's like the copy of Mavic Air 2, but it's mini. But look at this, guys. Look at that one, guy. Both beautiful drone, both budget drone. It's both brushless motor. That's what I like, the brushless motor, guys. The drone is become powerful when you fly it. See, brushless motor. Brushless motor. See that, guy, how they copy each other? This drone flies really well. I haven't tried this one yet, because right now it's very cold. It's very cold outside. But the question is, how's this drone fly? Because as far as I know, this one flies really well. This one. And this one, I think, is more advanced. I think more advanced. The controller itself is totally different than this one. Look at that guy. Look like the Hotel Evo. Orange. You will see, guys, I'm going to fly this if the weather condition is gonna be good, but right now it's very cold outside, and this I think there's a snow coming. Look at that, guys. They look so very sophisticated drone look. This is what I like, the look. That's why it attracted me to buy this one, because of the look. But I didn't realize that the same drone with my other one, my other one is look the same. The only difference, the color is gray. Look at that, guys. Look beautiful. Look very sophisticated. And how many grams is this drone? It's weighing. Alright, guys, I have this, the weighing scale. Look at that. Let's turn it on. Put it 0. 0, 0. Okay. With the battery. Look at that, guys. 186 grams. 186 grams with the battery. I don't know the gray one. Let's try. I think when I weigh this one, it's 184. Let's see. Oh, the same weight. 186 grams. This, both of this drone. You don't need to register at Federal Aviation, the FAA, because this is less than 250 grams drone. Basically, this is like a toy. You don't have to worry. You fly anywhere, but you take your own rest. You don't fly in a crowded places. If there's so many people, you don't fly it. But you can bring it anywhere. You fly it anywhere, but you have to be careful too. Guys, once again, if you wanna buy one of this drone, like I said guys, this all budget drone, less than $100. This one, if you only buy one battery, is $91. If you additional batteries, I got additional batteries, it went to $112 guys. And this one, I think it went to 100. No, this one comes with 2 batteries guys, it's $98. This one, the gray one, when I bought. This is different company guys, but this the same exactly drone. Look at that, LYRZ and YLRZ. They just tweak the name guys. I think they're copying each other, but it's really beautiful drone. When I upload this one, it's really flies well. This one, the gray one, but I haven't tested the camera. I haven't tested the camera. How good is the camera? I just went straight flying, but it flies really well. But I have a subscriber, they complaining to me that he has the same like this, his drone won't fly. I think that's a defective, manufacturer defective. I'm hoping this one is flies the same thing, because this one it's more advanced than this one because of the controller. There's a screen on it. I put the link guys where I get it, so hopefully you like it. And this comes with the bags guys. Inside the bag, the controller, the rechargeable controller with screen, 2 batteries, and the drone. This a manual, comes with manual and quick guide. And also guys, see that the 4 propeller, extra propeller, and one small screwdriver, and the C connector to your battery. Once again guys, this is a budget drone. If you're on a tight budget that you cannot afford to buy like the DJI Mini, the DJI brand, whatever expensive drone, this is the alternative for you guys, because then I fly this drone, it flies really well guys. It's inside the box and a beautiful drone inside. It's very smooth. Look at that, how shiny, beautiful is the bag. And there's a holder here. Look at how nice is that bag. Alright guys, if you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.